Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be trying the Jessica Winterstorm hide and reveal technique. I have not tried this yet. I'm just trying with some leftover paints on a small canvas that I just want to go over top of this old pour that I did on top. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm using this to spread the paint out. I've got my, whoops, almost spilt my black paint. I've got my palette knife that I'm going to be swiping with. I don't know if I'm going to swipe with black or white. I'll open both of them just to all right. Wish me luck. Okay. All right. Don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm going to give it a try. I don't know how much to put on here. Oh, that one, that paint there was Azo orange, Azo orange, and well, it's Pebeo Azo orange, iridescent, I believe. I'm going to add, this is, that was this here. Okay, I'm going to add this here, and it is a chameleon paint. It's Let's Resin, and this is cyan. So, to give it a bit of a stir. Okay. I'm going to put some of that on. Okay. Now I've got some yellow. I've got TLP Lemon Sorbet mixed with Yellow Light, Josanya. This one is a little on the thick side. Alright, that's so much for that color. That one's done. By the way, I'm using leftover paints. I don't know whether I mentioned that. Still trying to use mine up. Been trying to use all mine up for months. Months now. Okay, so now I've got red. It is maraschino and boogie mixed together. So let's put some of that. Alright, that's that. That's for the colors. Now hopefully my black's going to be okay. I've got one little air bubble. Not doing very good with the black, am I? Okay, I gotta get this side here. Alright, I'm not doing very good. Okay. Alright, and it's fallen over the edge already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I just need to prop it up a little bit, maybe, so it doesn't keep falling over this edge. Okay. All right, so now my cell activator. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of black. bit too much on here. I don't know. Just a tiny bit of white. Okay. Something's happening. I think I dug into the paint a little bit. I think I just ruined some of my cells that I had there. Shit. Shoot. There's nothing happening here. There's kind of cool stuff over here, but I got to get over here, I think. You know what? That's kind of cool, but I'm going to lose that. Well, you know what? I think I'm just going to, I can't really do much more with this. I think this part here is kind of cool, and I'm going to try and open that up. I'm just going to move it over. I just want to show you. I don't want to drip all over everything. Okay. Let's hopefully I can open that up. Cool. I don't like that there though. So I'm trying to move it down. I don't like all this in here. I'm not fussy on this either. I really like this part here. Doesn't want to go anymore. Maybe if I spin it. It's quite busy, but I think it's kind of neat for my first hide and reveal. Revealing quite a bit. I think it's supposed to be minimal, but I'll take this. Okay, I'll get you in for a close-up. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Hi, I'm back with a dried result. It dried fine. Looks very much like when it was wet. Okay. Looks kind of neat. There's a lot going on though, a little busy I think, but still it's okay for my first try at the hide and reveal technique of Jessica Winter. There is a little bit of a sparkle in here from the chameleon. I don't know if you can see that. Where else? Somewhere around here. I guess it was just stayed in this area right here. Okay. So thank you for watching my video and have a great day. See you in my next one. Bye for now.